Bum 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 bum.
Tomatoes?
Hello, welcome to video 4. What is the isTimer active node? The isTimer active node has two versions. We have the isTimer active by handle, and then if I do active, we can find the isTimer active by function name. These both will perform the same task or function, the difference being isTimer active by function is the older version when we did not have timer handles. Timer handles are the proper way of handling timers, so we will not be covering the isTimer active by function name. This is an older, deprecated function, and we should no longer be using it. So the isTimer active by handle takes in a timer handle and outputs a true or a false, a boolean, on if the timer is active. Now to get our timer handle, we're simply saving our current timer to a local variable and calling it timer handle. Now active refers to a timer that is actively ticking. If it's an invalid timer, if it's a timer that's not set, if it's a timer that's been cleared and invalidated, if it's a timer that's paused, it's not going to return back active. Active is something that is actively running. Let's go ahead and run our example here. And we're going to go ahead and do something. Our doing something is just counting up every second, maybe increasing the health of our player. When we hit stop, what we're doing is we're pausing it. And we get the result of false on the top. After we've paused it, we check to see if the timer is active. Since our timer is paused, it's not running, it's not active. We'll hit stop again, it will unpause it, and now it's true. We have an active timer because it is counting back up. We'll run that again, stop it, shows false because we're not running, unpause, and now it's running again. isTimer active by handle is useful if you want to see if your timer is actually active. There's no other way of knowing if your timer is running if you're not actually going to check if it's active. This is going to wrap up the isTimer active by handle node.